Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. It is called CodeSpay.ai. If you have ever wondered how to check whether your project was written by AI, this is the tool you need to know about. CodeSpy is an advanced AI-powered code detection platform that analyzes your source code and identifies sections that were likely generated by tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and more. It works with multiple programming languages including Java, Python, JavaScript, C, PHP, and many others. This is a game changer for developers, teams, and campaigns that want to maintain code originality, security. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at how CodeSpy works, what makes it different from other tools, and why developers are starting it to use it worldwide. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video and see what CodeSpy AI can do for us. Now let me quickly tell you a bit more about the CodeSpy website and how you can start using it. The best thing about CodeSpy.ai is that you do not need to download or install anything on your system. Everything works online. All you need to do is register directly on their website. To sign up, simply enter your name in the first field, then type in your email address. After that, create a secure password for your account. Just below that, you will select a few categories options. You can select them based on your preferences or the type of coding. Once you fill in all the required details, just click the register button. You will have access to CodeSpy dashboard where you can start scanning and detecting AI-generated code instantly. It's quick, simple, and super easy to get generated. No step needed. After registering, you will see an interface like this one. As you can see, the interface of CodeSpy.ai is very unique and user-friendly. At the top, you will find an overview section that displays AI written content as well as a human written content. Below that, there is more option, activity, and more. On the left side of the dashboard, you will notice different sections like dashboarded, reports, and projects now. Now let me show you a live example. I will quickly generate some spiral sources code using ChatGPT, which will be completely AI written. I will copy this code and then go to the report section. Inside CodeSpy, here you simply paste your code, and below you will find option to select the programming language like as a Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, or C++. I will select Python for the example and click analyzing. As you can see, CodeSpy intensely show the results, detecting that 98% AI generated. I will take another spiral code from ChatGPT, paste it into the report section, select Python and analyzing it. This time CodeSpy automatically rewrites the code, converts it into 98% human written code, even thought it was originally. Simply, it can also show you how AI written code is detected, so you can easily between AI and human written content. With CodeSpy.ai, you can intensely scan your code, detect AI generated parts, and even rewrite them into a human like code in just a few clicks, making it super easy hand tool for developers and teams. I have got to say, the CodeSpy website itself it's really impressive. It's designed to be a fast, clean, and easy to navigate, which makes the entire experience smooth for users. The dashboard layout is simple yet powerful, allowing you to quick access all features without confusion. Everything from registration to scanning your code and checking reports feels seamless. Plus, AI detection is truly next level, giving you results within a second. Whether you are a beginner or a professional developer, CodeSpy.ai makes it efforts to analyze and improve your code without any complicated. If you have a developer or someone who works with AI generated code, I definitely recommend giving CodeSpy a try. It's simple, fast, and super effective. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming tech videos. And if you have any question about CodeSpy or want me to cover more AI tools like this, drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.